Pepto-Bismol Maximum Strength Liquid. Product summary. Relieves heartburn, indigestion, nausea, upset stomach, and diarrhea. Low sodium. Maximum strength formula. Upset stomach relief, anti-diarrheal. Uses. Upset stomach, indigestion, nausea, heartburn and diarrhea. Directions. Shake well before using. For convenient dosing, use pre-measured dose cup. Adults, 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters. Children 9 to 12 years, 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters. 6 to 9 years, 2 teaspoons or 10 milliliters. 3 to 6 years, 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters. Under 3 years, ask a doctor. Repeat above dosage every hour as needed, to a maximum of 4 doses in a 24-hour period. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Drink plenty of clear fluids to help prevent dehydration, which may accompany diarrhea. Warnings. Children and teenagers who have or are recovering from chicken pox or flu should not use this medicine to treat nausea or vomiting. If nausea or vomiting is present, consult a doctor because this could be an early sign of Reye syndrome, a rare but serious illness. This product contains salicylates. If taken with aspirin and ringing in the ears occurs, stop using. This product does not contain aspirin, but if you are allergic to aspirin, do not use as an adverse reaction may occur. If symptoms persist, or if diarrhea is accompanied by a high fever or continues more than 2 days, ask a doctor. As with any drug, if you are pregnant or nursing a baby, seek the advice of a health professional before using this product. Keep this and all drugs out of the reach of children. In case of overdose, seek professional help or contact a poison control center immediately. Drug interaction precaution. If you are taking medicines for anticoagulation, thinning the blood, diabetes, or gout, consult a doctor before taking this product. Note, this beneficial medication may cause a temporary and harmless darkening of the tongue or stool.